Yeah. The topic is distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. I will read once again. Distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. What does it mean? First, I will write that rule or equation. First, I will write the equation, so you will understand what is the meaning of this. Okay, I am going to write now. See, A into B minus C is equal to A into B, okay, minus A into C. So this is called distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. Okay. So equal sign is there. So we can call this as the equation. Okay. So this equation, whatever I have written, so that is called distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. We will see the words one by one. First, subtraction. Subtraction means what? Minus. See, minus is there. So minus is the symbol for the subtraction. So subtraction means minus. Next, we'll see this word multiplication. Multiplication means into. So this is symbol for the multiplication, into. Okay. Next to distributivity. Distributivity means this A is going to distribute over B and over C. So this is minus subtraction. B minus C indicates the subtraction. So this A is going to distribute over this subtraction. That is over subtraction. Correct? It will say first A will distribute multiply with B. So it will become A into B. So we have written A into B. Next this minus same. Next this A will multiply with the C. So A into C. So A into C. C minus means subtraction. So A is distributing over the subtraction. So that is the meaning of over subtraction. Okay. So this is called distributivity. I mean A is distributing of multiplication. Here multiplication is there over subtraction. This B minus C is the subtraction. You got it? Because of this reason the headline is like that. So meaning of this is this, and whenever you see the equation like this, so just remember this is nothing but the distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. Okay. Whenever you see this, you remember this. This is nothing but this, and whenever you see this headline, so remember this equation. Okay. So that's why the name distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. I hope you understood what is the meaning of this distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. That's okay. Now we will take different examples, and we will check or we will verify whether this equation is correct or not. Okay. So we will take examples and check now. First, I will take first example is I will take this 4 into 3 minus 8 is equal to what? Okay. First, we will simplify this using normal multiplication. Okay. So, how to simplify? First, to write this 4 into asterisk. So, we are going to do normal multiplication. I will write here normal. Okay. So, this 4 into I have written here. Next, inside this bracket, whatever we have to simplify that. So 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Okay. Now this is equal to, into is there, we have to multiply. Okay. Here just 4 is there, here nothing is there, means plus is there. Plus into minus, minus 4 into 5. 4 5 is 20. Okay. So we got minus 20 as the answer by using this normal multiplication. Okay. Now what we will do? We will simplify this using the property, using this distributivity property over subtraction. Okay, we will check that. So I will write using property. So first you take this asterisk, 4 into 3 minus 8, that is equal to now using this property we are going to simplify. See, this is in the form of this, correct? See, in place of a 4 is there, into bracket, in place of b we have 3, in place of minus, in place of c we have 8. Okay. So according to this property, after equal sign, a into b. Okay. So first bracket a. In place of a we have 4. So in place of a write 4. Into next b is there. In place of b we have 3. So in place of b write 3. next minus, next this bracket a. So in place of a we have 4. So in place of a write 4 into next c is there. In place of c we have 8. So in place of c write 8. So close this bracket, close bracket. Next we have to simplify. 4 into 3, 4 3 is a 12 minus 4 into 8, 4 8 is a 32. Now minus is there, we have to subtract. So 12 minus 32 is 12 minus 32 is minus 20. Okay, so I will once again write this here. So 4 into 3 minus 8. See, we got minus 20 as the answer using property. Which property? This property, this one. Now, see, using normal multiplication, we got minus 20 as the answer. So, by using the property, we got minus 20 as the answer. See, we can see this and this are same. We got both are same answers. So, this answer is matching with this answer. So, that means what? Since this answer same, so that means this property, the distributivity property is correct. This equation is correct. So we checked it, we verified it. So that's correct. Next, I will take so one more example. I will rub this. Okay. Okay. Other example I will take 10 into, so 9 minus 7 I will take. Okay. This is equal to what? Okay. Now, first we will simplify this using normal multiplication. So how we will do? First write this 10 into asterisk, 10 into next. Inside the bracket whatever we have to simplify that. So inside this bracket we have 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 is what? 2. Okay. So this is equal to 10 into 2 is what? 20. 10 2s are 20. So using normal multiplication, we got 20 as the answer. Next, using property. Okay. So using normal multiplication, we got 20 as the answer. Now we will simplify the same thing using property. So which property? This property. We will use this property to simplify this now. So first write this given expression. So 10 into 9 minus 7 is equal to. Now we can see this is in the form of this. So in place of A we have 10 into bracket. In place of B we have 9 minus. In place of C we have 7. Okay. Now is equal to. First consider this. Before that, bracket A. So in place of A we have 10. So in place of A write 10 into next to B. So in place of B we have 9. So in place of B write 9. Close the bracket. Minus, open the bracket. Now this is A. So in place of A we have 10 now. So in place of A write 10 now. Into next to C. In place of C we have 7 now. So in place of C write 7. So is equal to. Now simplify this. 10 into 9. 10 nines are 90 minus 10 sevens are 70 is equal to. Now 90 minus 70 is how much? 20. So write this as it is. So 10 into 9 minus 7 is equal to this. Now see, we got 20 as the answer using property. Okay. See, using normal multiplication we got 20 as the answer. Using property also we got 20 as the answer. Now this answer both are same. So this answer is matching with this answer. So that means this property is correct. We checked or we verified this distributivity property because of this, using normal multiplication and using property. So because of this and this answer, both are same, so this property is correct. We proved it. We proved this property is correct. Okay, next we will take one more example. Somewhat big number I will take. So I will take like this. 1500 I will take. 1500 into 80 I will take minus 80 minus 70 I will take. Somewhat big number I took. Okay. So using normal multiplication, so we will simplify this first. So in normal multiplication, write this 1500 into first. Now next inside this bracket whatever is there, so that we have to simplify. So 80 minus 70 is 10. So that is equal to, now 1500 into 10, how much? 15,000 you will get. Okay, yeah, correct. So using normal multiplication, we got 15,000 as the answer. Now we will simplify using property. Which property? This only. Using this property we will simplify. So before that, first write this as it is. So 1500 into 80 minus 70 is equal to. Now we can see this is in the form of this a into b minus c, correct? Yes. This is in the form of this. So in place of a we have 1500 into bracket. In place of b we have 80 minus in place of c we have 70 bracket. So is equal to next your bracket is there, put bracket a. So in place of a, so we have 1500. So in place of a you write 1500. Next into next b is there. So in place of b we have 80. So in place of b write 80. Okay. So close the bracket. Minus. Next open the bracket. A is there. In place of a we have 1500. So in place of a write 1500. Into next to c. In place of c we have 70. So in place of c write 70. So this is equal to, so we have to multiply this because into is there. So 1500 into 80. So we get 1,20,000. Okay. So when you multiply this 1500 with 80, we get this 1,20,000 minus. Next we have to multiply this 1500 with 70. So 1500 into 70 how much? So 1,05,000. So when you multiply this 1,500 with 70, we get this 1,05,000. Now minus subtraction, that means we have to subtract. So if you subtract 1,05,000 from 1,20,000, how much you will get? 15,000. So whatever is there, write it here. So 1,500 into 80 minus 70. See, this is the answer. See, using this using this property, we got 15,000 as the answer. So using normal multiplication also, we got the same answer, 15,000. Now this answer is same. Both answers are 15,000. That means this answer is matching with this answer. So that means this law, the rule or this equation or the property is correct. We checked, we verified that this property is correct. Next, we will take other example. So we saw negative, we took negative numbers, and I took somewhat big numbers like 1,500 and all. Next we will take some simple numbers, and we will see whether this property is correct or not, whether that will, for simple numbers, whether this property will work out or not, that we will check now. Yeah. So rub this. Yeah. Any previous content, if you want to see, you can move the video backward. I am telling this many times. Next simple numbers I will take like 1 into no, I will take 2. 1 is very simple. So we will take 2. So 8 minus 1 I will take. So this time I took simple numbers. I have written normal. First we will simplify this using normal multiplication. So equal okay. So in normal multiplication, what we will do? 2 into write first. Next, inside this bracket, whatever we have, that we have to simplify. So inside this bracket, we have 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is what? 7 is equal to, now 2 into 7, 2 7 is a 14. So we got 14 as the answer. How? Using normal multiplication. Now we will find the answer, or we will simplify using the property, and we will see what answer we will get. Okay, so I will write using property. Okay, using property means this only, using this property we are going to simplify. So first write this given expression as it is, like this: 2 into 8 minus 1, so is equal to, so you can see, you can just observe. See, this is in the form of this, correct? See, because in place of a we have 2 into bracket bracket. In place of b we have 8 minus minus. In place of c we have 1, and this closed bracket, equal equal. Now see this, before that put this bracket a. In place of a we have 2, so in place of a write 2 into, next b is there. In place of b we have 8, so in place of b write 8, close the bracket, minus minus, open the bracket, a. In place of a we have 2, so in place of a write 2, into c. In place of c we have 1, so in place of c write 1, that is equal to. Now I have to simplify this. So 2 into 8, 2 is a 16, minus 2 into 1, 2 is a 2. Okay. Next, 16 minus 2. How much you will get? If we do 16 minus 2, that is 14. So first write whatever is your, write it here. So 2 into 8 minus 1. So this is what we got. So 14 is the answer. You can see, using normal multiplication we got 14 as the answer. So using the property, I mean using this property, we got 14 as the answer. So you can see this answer is same. Both the answers are 14, 14. So this answer is matching with this answer. So that means what? This property is correct. We checked, we verified that this equation or property is correct. Why? Because through normal multiplication and using property we got same answers. So that's why this is correct. So like that. Okay. Now I will take other example. Okay. So before that I will just take a very short break, like 4, 5 or 6 minutes. Okay. Within few minutes. Okay. I will be back. Yeah, I'm back. I will take other example and I will show you how this property is correct. So next expression I will take is 550 into 10 minus 8 I will take. So first I will simplify this using normal multiplication. So is equal to, how we can do using normal multiplication. First write this 550 into as it is, 550 into next. So inside this bracket whatever we have that we have to simplify first. So inside this bracket we have this 10 minus 8. So 10 minus 8 is how much? 2. So this is equal to now 550 into 2 how much? 1100. Correct? So 1100. So 1100 is the answer we got through normal multiplication. Now we will simplify the same thing, same expression using property. Okay? Using property. So which property? This only, this property. So this is distributivity property, right? So using this property we will simplify this expression. Okay? So first what we have to do, take this as it is, right? Write this as it is, 550 into 10 minus 8. So put is equal to. Now you can see this. This is in the form of this. Okay. So in place of A we have 550 into bracket. In place of B 10 minus in place of C 8 bracket. So is equal to, after is equal to we have this A into B. So write this bracket. Now A. So in place of A we have 550. So in place of A write 550 into B. In place of B we have 10. So in place of B write 10. Close the bracket. Next minus, open bracket, A. In place of A we have 550. So in place of A write 550 into next C. In place of C, so we have 8. Okay. So in place of C write 8 is equal to, so we have to simplify this. So into is there, multiplication, 550 into 10, how much you will get? 5500 you will get. Okay. So minus, next we have to simplify this. So 550 into 8, So 4400 we get. So when you multiply this 550 with 8, we get this 4400. Next, minus is there. So we have to subtract this from this. So here for rough work, I will write it here. So first write this. Next we have to subtract this. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. What we got? 1100. You write it here, 1100. Now the same expression, write it here once again. So 550 into 10 minus 8. Okay. So this is the answer we got. See, using normal multiplication, we got 1100 as the answer. Correct? So using property, I mean this property, we got 1100 as the answer. So you can see this answer, both are same. So this answer is matching with this answer. Since these two answers are same, so what does it mean? That means this property is correct. So we verified or checked this property as correct. We proved that this property is correct because this answer, same. Okay. Yeah, thank you. If you like this video, click on like and also click on subscribe. Okay. Thank you once again.